Picture this. You hit the snooze button so many times it feels like a morning workout. And, oh, those late-night snack raids. It's like the cookie jar is your sworn enemy. We've all got those pesky habits we'd love to kick to the curb, and guess what? You've got the power to break free, and it all starts with the superpower of self-awareness. In this essay, we'll take a thrilling journey into the science of habits, demystify the magic of self-awareness, and provide you with some juicy, actionable advice to help you obliterate those destructive habits. Get ready for a wild ride to self-improvement. The science of habits. Unmasking the habit loop. Ever wondered why you're caught in the clutches of that daily snooze button symphony? Let's dive into the science of habits. These sneaky little things are like ninjas infiltrating our lives. They sneak in unnoticed, and before we know it, they're running the show. Here's the lowdown. Habits have a loop: cue, routine, and reward. The cue signals your brain, which then launches into autopilot with a routine, and the brain rewards you. This sweet reward keeps you hooked on the loop. The key to breaking habits is understanding this loop and knowing when to intervene. Intriguing, right? Self-awareness, the not-so-secret weapon. Now, here's where the superhero cape comes in: self-awareness. It's like wielding a magic wand that can transform your life for the better. But what is this self-awareness, anyway, and how does it help us escape habit hell? Self-awareness is the ability to watch yourself, your thoughts, feelings, and actions without casting judgment. Think of it as being the Sherlock Holmes of your own life. When you develop self-awareness, you gain a deep understanding of why you do what you do. This is like having the treasure map to break free from destructive habits. It helps you spot those cues and routines in the habit loop and replace them with more virtuous alternatives. Action-packed steps for your habit-busting adventure. Start a habit journal. Grab a journal, and let's embark on a treasure hunt of your own making. Document your destructive habits, the cues that trigger them, and the rewards you reap. You'll uncover a goldmine of insights, like realizing that stress, cue, leads to mindless social media scrolling, routine, and that sweet relief, reward. Self-reflection reveals patterns and triggers you never knew existed. Set smart goals. Instead of vaguely promising to stop procrastinating, let's get smart. Create goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, I'll work on my project for 30 minutes at 3 p.m. daily. Smart goals provide a clear roadmap to success. Embrace mindfulness. It's time to don your Jedi cloak and harness the power of mindfulness. Practices like meditation and deep breathing can supercharge your self-awareness. They keep you rooted in the here and now, helping you notice when you're about to fall into old habits. It's like having a force field of consciousness to make deliberate choices. Seek an accountability sidekick. Share your goals with a buddy or a family member. Knowing someone's got your back can be the superhero motivation you need. When there's an accountability partner in the mix, it's like having your very own Alfred, supporting you on your quest. Patience and persistence. Breaking habits isn't a sprint. It's a thrilling adventure filled with plot twists and a few bumps along the way. You might slip up from time to time, but that's all part of the hero's journey. The key is to keep pushing forward and learn from your action movie moments. Remember, it's not about perfection but making progress. Breaking patterns and conquering destructive habits with the superpower of self-awareness is an exhilarating adventure you'll never forget. Armed with the knowledge of the habit loop, the magic wand of self-awareness, and some heart-pounding actionable steps, you're set to unleash your inner superhero. Get ready to transform your life for the better and become the master of your own destiny. Your future self is in for a thrilling plot twist, and it all starts with you. So, buckle up and get ready for an epic journey to self-improvement. It's going to be one for the books. As we draw our adventure to a close, remember this: breaking patterns and conquering destructive habits isn't just a destination. It's a continuous journey of self-discovery and growth. Armed with the science of habits, the superpower of self-awareness, and actionable steps, you're now poised for remarkable change. So, what's next? It's time to embrace your newfound knowledge and embark on your personal journey to transformation. Dive headfirst into the depths of self-awareness and emerge as the hero of your own story. We're here to support you on your quest for self-improvement, and there's more exciting content waiting just around the corner. To stay updated and be a part of this journey, hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be the first to access fresh insights, tips, and stories that will fuel your mission for a better you. The path to breaking patterns and conquering habits is an adventure worth pursuing, and it's one you don't have to embark on alone. Join our community, stay engaged, and let's make this transformational journey one for the ages. Are you ready? Subscribe now, and let's keep the quest for self-improvement alive. Your future self will thank you for it.